Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to change phone number in Omio. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Omio application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Omio application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So in order to change your phone number, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Tap on the first option, passenger details. Now you'll be led to the passenger details interface. You'll be able to find several options like email, name, date of birth, etc. So in order to edit the phone number, tap on the option edit that you can see right next to the option basic info. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the passenger details interface. From here, you'll be able to edit the passenger details. Over here, you'll also be able to find the field for phone number. So in order to edit it, all you have to do is tap on this field. If you also would like to edit the country code, simply tap on the field of country code. Now from here, you'll be able to select the country code of your choice. Simply tap on the country. Now what you have to do is enter the phone number. Erase the initial phone number. Now enter the new phone number over here. After doing that, simply scroll down. Now tap on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your information was saved. Your phone number has been changed. So that is how you change phone number in Omio. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.